Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with Dipra. Today we will learn how to install IDE to run Java code. So let's get started. Go to Chrome browser, type VS Code, click here, downloads. We want it for Windows 11. So click on this or we can directly click on download. Download. It's downloading. Click on open in show in folder. Double click on this file. Click on audio button. I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Keep it as it is, this path. And click on next. Click on next. This also keep it as it is. Create a desktop icon. Select this checkbox and click on next. Click on install. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, click on finish. See, VS Code is installed. Yeah, that is all for today. We'll see how to write a code in Java in another video. And if you want to check how to install Java on Windows 11, then refer my video which is added in description. Thank you guys.